good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday to us. Woo, woo, woo. Happy Monday to us.
Mommy, look. Mommy.
Whoa, Allo, look at that. What did you make, Kuya?
I like the cinnamon orange party. No,
A city?
Mommy.
Is that a city?
Yes.
Whoa, mate. I love the city. Are you gonna be a builder when you grow up?
And this thing where you put your this thing.
That's
and
very good,
and it goes
Allo.
flies, Mama, around like the city like that. Mommy.
Oh, no.
Boom. Mommy. He was a freedom.
That's good, Allo.
That piece.
May nagtatawag na dong
Captain
isa.
Maxwell sings.
What do you wanna watch, Indy? Miss Rachel?
Now, Mommy, da-da! Mommy, no, da-da-da!
Tan-ta-dan!
Can you, Mama?
Yeah, I am. I know, I can see him on top.
Bibi!
Bibi!
Bibi! Bibi, you got it.
Guys, it is Monday.
Lights red. V, white, green.
See, this is an easier book.
You only get the
She got 4 books, guys. Apakadami na. Nakakaloka.
lights, dogs, V, likes cats. But Vic and V have the
Same, yes.
same wheels
Wish.
wish when they grow
Yeah?
up, they wish
Yes.
to be wet
Vets, yes.
this.
So, she usually gets 2 of these. Ito. Guys, last day of school. No,
And
last
now
week. May
now
dalang
it's-
4. Na. 4! Apakadaming babasahin. And these ones are harder. As in, like, may mga words na hindi pa niya nabasa before. Wala sa tricky words niya. So, hindi pa to kasi meron siyang booklet ng may mga tricky words. So, yun, she needs to practice as well. So, 5. 5 lahat na. And because back to school na tomorrow, she has to go back to reading again. Tuesday pa pati yung reading day niya. So, tomorrow, she's gonna read to her teacher. Yeah?
What?
You're doing good. You finished with this, no? Chad. Did you finish these 2 or not really? You did?
Chad
Wow, well done.
and Liz.
Liz, yeah.
Liz have a cat. Red,
Daming babasahin. Ako,
violet,
naluloka na ako. Yung bata pa kaya. So, meron silang student-free day today. Kasi yung iba nagba-back to school na ng Monday. But sa school nila, laging Tuesday talaga yung back to school. Except the I think naging Monday siya. Basta, but usually it's Tuesday talaga. Tuesday talaga yung back to school nila, guys. And yun na din yung back to sports ni Arlo. So, bukas, balik si Ayla sa school. Arlo sports. And school na. School na. So, maaga na naman tayong matutulog. And alam nyo bang pagising ko kanina, relax lang ako. Sabi ko, enjoy natin tong matagal tayong babangon kasi walang school. Tapos nung bumangon na ako, nakita ko, ang dami ko palang kailangan gawin. And then, nag-pile up na naman siya sa utak ko. Alam mo yung hindi mo pa nga siya nagagawa, Kasi nakita ko na, tas nagpa-pile up na siya sa utak ko na, hala, ang dami kong kailangan gawin today. That's what I need to work on. I need to relax my mind because I don't know how to relax my mind. Yun yung problema ko. Hindi ko talaga siya nare-relax. Kailangan isipin ko lang siya once and then do it because I get it done. I always get it done. Like, yung mga kailangan kong gawin sa araw-araw, I always get it done. But my mind is like, always thinking. Like, it's just always there na, kailangan mo itong gawin, kailangan mo itong gawin, kailangan mo itong gawin. After nito, gagawin mo to. Like, tas may mga na-insert pa na wala sa plano. Gawin mo to, ganyan.
Mommy.
Tas punong-puno na siya. Wala pa nga. Hindi mo pa nga nasisimulan. Punong-puno na siya.
See, height, 8,
Check.
height,
Check.
check.
Tapos, as in, paggising sa umaga, walang tigil yung mommy, which is fine kasi it's the last day of school holidays today. Gusto ko siyang namnamin. So yun, parang iniisip ko, namnamin mo because it's the last day of school holiday. And balik na sila sa school, mamimiss mo na naman yun sila. Alam mo yun, kayo na naman ni Indy. Ang daming laman ng utak ko, guys. Ay, nako. Ewan ko. Ito, ma'am na naman. What? Check. It's the same word as the other one. Yeah, check.
This.
Diba? Tapos, ano ka na? Ang bilis mo nang ma-trigger. Ang bilis mo na overstimulated ka na. Wala pa nga. Overstimulated ka na. Hindi. I've done some stuff already. So, I'm washing the cushion covers. Tapos nakita ko doon na, may tutupiin ka. Kasi hindi ako nakatupi kahapon. Guys. Gusto ng mga bata na pumunta sa playground. So, gusto ko silang dalhin din sa playground. Dami kong gustong gawin. Sobrang dami kong gustong gawin. Ling. And then I have editing to do, which I can put like at the end of my list. Like, editing is not a priority, especially ngayon school holidays. But then, I still get it done. Alam mo yun, naiinis ako kasi hindi mo to kailangan gawin, but for some reason, nai-insert ko pa din siya. So, sa mga nagtatanong, paano mo nagagawa? 3 kids, sobrang busy. Hindi ko din alam, guys.
Makita niya ko.
Sure.
Mommy.
Mommy. Yes.
Cheek. Cheek.
Yes. Cheek.
Help me. He has. Help me.
So yeah, I don't know. All I can think of is walang tigil. Like, walang tigil ang mga gawain. As in, wala talagang tigil. But gusto ko din kasi yun. Ayoko din yung... Alam mo yun, may mga tao talaga na hindi mapakali. Gusto ko din na may ginagawa. Kasi kung ayaw ko na may ginagawa, pwede naman akong mag-relax lang, Huwag mo turuan. Basta yan. Okay lang yan siya. Alam mo yun? Yogurt!
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy,
What? Chalk. Now, I don't know ano na yung sinasabi ko. Basta, ang daming laman ng aking utak. 1, 2 videos that I need to edit. Pangatlo ngayon, diba? Dami na nga i-edit. Nag-vlog pa. Dadagdag sa i-edit. Ito na naman! Ito na naman yung aking utak. Sabi niya na naman mag-edit ka. May 3 videos kang kailangan i-edit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What? Shh. Chops. Chops.
1, 2, 3.
It's alright. Deep breath. Deep breaths.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to help myself. I'm trying to help myself. It's okay. We are good. But at least aware ka, diba? Aware ako na yun yung problema ko. I need to work on this. This is the problem. My mind is very full. My heart is very full as well. Everything is very full at the moment. Oh my gosh. Meron pa pala ako i-edit na thumbnail. Ding, 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 ding. So, it is now 11:53 ng umaga. So, lunchtime na naman. Pwede namang ipagpaliban yung pag-wash ng, cushion covers. Yun talaga yung unang nakita ko pagbaba ko. Oh, iwawash kita today. Schedule ba ng washing today? No, not schedule washing today. Pero nawala na ako sa schedule nung school holidays. May mga extra kasi, like, alam mo yun, yun nga, cushion cover, bed sheets. All done? Was that a lot of reading, baby? Thank God. All done?
How many minutes was that? 50 minutes?
Yeah, that was a long time, but you did such an amazing job. You're the best reader ever. Well done, girly. Okay.
I'm so exhausted.
You're exhausted? Can you please put that back in your folder, please? Oh my gosh, okay. I need to prepare your uniform. Need to prepare your school bag. It's okay. Again, I get it done. I always get it done. So, dapat hindi ako nasa-stress. Pinapangunahan ko eh. It's fine. Just say, oh, you need to get the uniforms ready. That's fine. You will get it ready. And thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Mom, time for my turkey burgers.
Oh, you have 3. You have turkey birds.
What?
Oh, how many do you have? Just 1 this time? 2.
What?
No.
Who?
Who? Many.
Many.
What's that again?
Many.
Remove the M.
Many.
Any.
Any. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Love.
Again.
Who?
Yep.
Many.
Yep.
Any.
Yes. Well done.
Tomorrow love.
Good job. My girlie is very smart. Oh, this one. You'll get this one easy.
Or very.
Again?
Very.
No? Oh?
Ori.
Over.
Over.
Yep.
Over. Sean. Mother, father, cousins.
Huh? Says.
Says. Mother, father, cousins.
Okay. Again, Baba? Again?
Over.
Yep.
Sean.
Says.
Says. Over. Says. Mother, father, cousins.
Good job, Ayla. You have to write these now.
I know.
Yeah. Good job, baby. I'm proud of you. You're so good. See, and dapat mag-multitask ka din. Multitasking is key. And that, I'm really good at. I'm really good at multitasking. Habang nagtuturo sa bata, naghahanap ng mga clips for thumbnail. O, diba?
Mommy, how many hours are we going to the park? 1 hour? 1
Um,
hour and 9 minutes?
I wanna go after lunch.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna cook lunch after this. I'll just make 1 thumbnail, I'll cook lunch, and then we will go to the
I
playground.
just want chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets! Oh my gosh, that reminds me! Chicken nuggets! Wait, saan? Mamaya na nga yung thumbnail. Again, not a priority. Gumawa pala ako ng chicken nuggets nung... Kailan ako hindi nag-vlog? May lamok. Oh my gosh. That's not lamok. That's like a fruit bug. Sabado. Hindi ako nag-vlog nung Sabado. So, I made chicken nuggets, you guys. Monday na today. O, tingnan nyo. Alam nyo na to. Yung chicken nuggets na may mga gulay sa loob. And I made it bigger this time. Ayla loves it. Hindi niya lang alam. Napakaraming sustansya na naidudulot sa kanya. Char. So, ilagay natin sa Ziploc. And then, ilagay natin ulit sa freezer. So, meron tong carrots, celery,
Mama, make
syempre onion. Okay, wait, let me do this. Onion, garlic. See, dalawang chicken breast lang to, guys. Kasi ang daming gulay ko nilagay. And dalawang chicken breast lang to. Ganito nakadami. Malalaki pa yan, ha. So, kailangan siya ilagay sa freezer na nakaganito, naka-flat. And kapag frozen na siya, it didn't have to be overnight. This one nga, 2 nights na dito. Basta lang ma-frozen lang siya para lang hindi siya magdikit-dikit pag nilagay mo sa ziplock. And hindi ko na siya nilalagyan ng date kasi pwede namang lagyan ng date. Kasi alam ko hindi siya magtatagal. Nakailang gawa na ako ng chicken nuggets eh. Alam ko hindi siya magtatagal because I have 3 kids, you guys. And they all love it. See? Tingnan mo siya. Akala niya luto na. Hi, girlie! Hi! Wala pa. Hindi pa to luto.
Mom, all done.
All done. Thank you, ate. Did you write it?
Yes, I tried it.
Baby! So good! Para na tong ilang bags na din to ng ano ha? Chicken nuggets pag binili mo sa shops. Tapos mas maliit pa yung dito. That's it! Ang bango niya. Ang bango yung
Now
celery.
look, Mama, okay?
Yeah, I'll look na.
And then show the guys what you're doing. Oh.
Okay, let's show the guys.
Is that golden?
Kinaklap-klap mo dyan. Itong batang to kumuha ng ice cream and nagklap-klap.
Is that golden, but it's not.
It's like golden. Hoy! Tingnan mo siya. Clapping!
And Mama, come. Oh, I smashed it out.
Parang same lang naman yan kanina.
Mom, see, Mom?
I love it. So good. Oh! Malamig! Akin na!
And Mommy just and Mommy just
TV!
and Mama, you guys just to walk some go.
In the other lounge. Come on, let's go in the other lounge. Because Ate just read a lot of books. She deserves TV. Come on. Other lounge.
Go again.
Shoes on, Indy. Come on. Right here. You need to lock the door.
Mama, you. That's it.
Ready? Let's go for a walk again. Itong mga batang to, kumuha ng cookies. Alam nang magsa-scooter. Alright, finish your cookies. Sabi ko na, mamaya na eh. Tigas kasi ng ulo din. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to finish your cookies so you can hold your scooter properly. It's okay, take your time. Uh-oh.
Mama.
A wipe? Just wait. I'm getting it for you. See? Alright, here. Meron din akong baon eh. Sarap ng baon ko actually.
You go, Mom.
Tadang! Binilhan ako ni Daddy kahapon. Ang tagal ko na yung
Can I taste that, Mom?
maybe when we get to the park because you need to hold your scooter, I said.
I want to go,
Kain
Mom.
ako nito. Do you guys want to drink now?
No. What is that?
Oh my gosh. Ayla, wait until we get to the park because you need to hold your scooter.
What is that?
It's a biscuit, Italian biscuit.
Italian? Only
Yeah.
say. So I'm getting one. I'm getting one. I'm getting one. Everybody wants these things.
Seriously. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Parang
Oh my god.
may flower na naman ako for my boy. My sweet, sweet boy. It's not sunny today, guys, but it's not too cold. So, okay lang. Cloudy yung weather today. But hindi naman uulan. Kaya kami lumabas. And it's now parang 2 something na ata. Hindi ko na to papatulugin si Indy. Kasi maaga kami matutulog mamaya. Kasi school na bukas. Ang aga-aga namin magigising bukas na. Yes?
How many more minutes to get it? 5 minutes? 10?
Yeah. 5 minutes? No, when we get there. Chocolate cookie na naman tong batang to. You look good, kuya. Ang cute ng dalawa. Gusto nila na dire-diretso lang eh. Kaya lang hinihintay nila ako. Kasi walking lang ako eh. Oh,
I found another flower, Mama.
oh baby.
It's in the ground. I found it.
Thank you. They're the same.
Put it in your ear.
On my ear, okay. Oh, my kids. Thank you, baby. That's beautiful. I'm collecting these now. Thank you, Isla.
Wow.
I love you. Thank you, guys.
There's flowers.
Lagay natin to dito. Dyan. See? Hindi mo dadalhin sa playground yung mga yan. Ang saya-saya nila. Tapos, they're just really good. Kagabi sa dinner, sabi talaga ni Sharon, ang ano ng mga anak mo, parang, alam mo yun, ang kukulit, pero ang babait. And alam ko na naman yun, diba? Minsan lang, pag kasama mo sila, syempre, makukulit, kasama mo sila 24/7. Ang kulit-kulit nila. But isipin mo din, bata kasi. Ganyan talaga yung mga bata. Makukulit. Pero, alam mo yun, magagalang. May mga manners. Doon mo makikita kapag, ano na eh, may mga ibang tao nang involved or kapag nasa ibang lugar outside sa bahay. Alright. I'm gonna let you decide. Ayla.
We can go. We can go.
Good job. Well done. Very good job, guys.
This way.
Well done. Good job, ate. Oh, watch out, duckies. There's cars. Duckies, watch out. Oh no, duckies.
Yay, they're not cute.
Oh no. May sasakyan na sa gitna. We're home. Kakatapos lang din ng dryer. So, winash ko to kanina, na-dry na. And ibabalik na natin siya. Diba? Kailangan i-cover yung couch, guys, because it's disgusting. I was so against couch covers before kasi ayaw ko yung look niya. Hindi ko gusto yung look ng couch covers, but I don't wanna buy a new couch. So, I'm just covering it. Ang pangit na ng couch na to. Kaya lang, sayang palitan kasi ang mahal. Naiinis ako. Ayoko nang bumili ng mahal. Kasi nasasayangan ka. Parang gusto ko muna siyang gamitin ng gamitin. Sirain ng mga bata. Kaya lang hindi siya masisira. Kasi maganda yung quality niya. Pangit nga lang yung fabric. Alam mo yun, hindi siya basta-basta nasisira. Kunin na natin at i-ready ang uniform ni ate. So, usually, nasa baba talaga to siya, guys, sa laundry namin. Kasi meron kaming hanging dun sa laundry. And dun lang siya for easy access in the morning. Pero kapag school holidays, I put it away. Kasi para maaliwalas yung ating laundry tingnan para walang maraming nakasabit. But now, back to maraming sabit because we are going to take it out. So, ilalabas ko na din yung sports uniform ni Arlo. Kasi back to sports na din. So, that, and then, mapapa, ooh, mapapa, ooh, la la.
Mom. Mommy.
Baby.
Milo. Mommy.
Hi, baby. I love you. Uy, you okay? Oh, wait. Tuesday and Wednesday. Hindi. Love you. Pa, 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 ooh. Ma, pa, pa, ooh, la, la. Ma, pa, pa, ooh, la, la. Sa piling mo. Dong, digi, 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 dong, digi, 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 dong, digi, digi, ding, dong. So cute. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Say ma papa. Ooh. Ang cute. Ooh.
Okay.
Hi guys. Ma papa. Ooh. You say ah ma papa. Ooh. Alright, let's go back downstairs. Ooh. Ma papa. Ooh la la. So cute. Hindi nagnap. Hindi talaga nagnap. And she doesn't seem sleepy. So, it's good. Sana makatulog siya ng maaga mamaya. Uy, goro. So, ay. Finish it. Piniprepare ko yung baon ni Ayla. At tingnan niyo siya. Siyempre, dapat sali din siya. Kasali din ako, mami. Uh-oh. Here. Finish it. Ay, tarong nga. Use your hands. Nigara. Ay, nigara si Indy. Good job. Is that yum yum? You smell like an orange now. Yummy? Bigyan pala natin ng strawberry si ate. Kainin mo to. Strawberry yung ilagay natin dito. So, yung sa brain food niya is orange at saka apple. Tapos naglalagay din kasi ako ng prutas sa main lunch. No, don't touch. That's ate's lunch.
What?
Hindi. Si Hindi. Gara. Tarong nga kaon. Ay. Nigara gud ay.
Daddy? Mama, Dad?
Hmm?
Daddy? Mama, Dad?
What?
Mama, Dad?
Yogurt?
What the?
Finish that first.
Ate.
Ate. Oh, this is Ate's lunch, yeah. For tomorrow, Ate's going back to school, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Good
Mommy,
listening.
Ate.
Yeah, this is Ate's. Put in the fridge. Ready for tomorrow.
Daddy, Dad.
Yeah, Ate's lunch.
Ate. Daddy, Hi guys, I'm making noodles for mommy and me and Indy and daddy.
Yeah. No, Daddy's not having this. Oi!
Oh, I thought
That's a big pot! My goodness, careful, it's hot, huh? Don't touch the pot.
Can you just don't hold me like that?
Okay, okay. I think that's it. Very good job. Very good mixing.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, when you mommy, you were pouring in the school subject.
Yeah, just be careful, okay?
Yeah.
So the kids are having Filipino-style spaghetti.
Yummy.
Yummy! Who's excited for
Mommy,
the
look.
spaghetti?
We had to wait one
What?
more.
Okay. Just be very careful, please. Careful, ha. Don't touch the pot. Careful, careful. Thank you. Nag-bake na naman ako. Ito yung madali ang cookies na gusto-gusto ng kids. So, nag-bake ako. Pero, mas maliit siya this time para malagay ko siya sa lunchbox ni Ayla. Kasi gustong-gusto siya ni Ayla. Meron akong iniba sa kanya. Kasi, dun sa comment, meron nagsabi nilagyan ng custard powder. So, yun yung ginaya ko. Nilagyan ko lang ng 2 tablespoons ng custard powder. Wait, hot! It's really hot! Tingnan mo to. Yeah, blue. It's really hot. Yeah, it's yours, but it's hot. Tingnan mo, asin wala pa talaga siyang tigil kain, guys. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Very hot. I can give this to you, but hot. Napapatong talaga siya. This is hot, hindi. Tingnan mo to. That's hot! That's hot! The tray is hot. This is hot! Yeah. It's hot. It's hot! It's hot, I said. Yeah, blow. Okay. You grab one, but it's hot. It's hot, okay? Okay. Alright, here. See, hot. I told you. Told you? Sabi ko sa inyo, gusto nila eh. O, tingnan mo siya. Okay. Just one for now. Do you wanna give one to Dada? Okay, give one to Dada. Here. I'll give it to Dada. Go. Daddy, look. She's got cookies for you. It's hot.
Mommy, please.
Yes, give it to Daddy. It's Daddy's. Yummy.
Mommy. Daddy? Thank you.
Wala masyadong nakain na ganito si Dan eh kasi naubos ng mga bata. Ang bilis nga naubos nun. Oh, you want more? Gusto ni Dan. I'll give you a bigger one. Here. Give it to Daddy. Masarap siya, guys. I-try nyo. Ang simple lang ng lasa niya. Tapos ang dali niya lang din gawin. Yummy.